It can be frustrating when you're trying to understand or engage your users, but the data you need doesn't live inside a Braze. Maybe it's stored in an offline system, a legacy database, or you just need to upload a one-time dataset for testing or backfilling historical information. That's where CSV imports for custom events come in. This feature lets you upload event level data and event properties directly into Braze without needing an integration or API connection. Hey there, my name is Lasia, and today I'm walking you through how to use CSV imports for custom events in Braze. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find Braze content like this useful. So we're going to go ahead and start in the Braze dashboard. I'm going to go to Data, Custom Events, and then Import via CSV. Here you're going to see the option to download a sample template. I've already filled one out, so let me open that up. In this example, I'm uploading offline data from an in-store loyalty program. So you could also do something similar, and each row could include an event like in-store visit with properties such as the store location, purchase total, or session type. Once your file looks good, click Upload CSV. And then we're going to select my file. Braze is now going to automatically validate my data and show me a preview. If something doesn't look right, you're going to see an error message highlighting which rows or fields need fixing. For example, you may have a missing timestamp or an invalid external ID. Braze will also call out some not best practices that you might be implementing within your dataset, such as using your email address as an external ID. After everything checks out, hit Import. Within a few minutes, your events will appear under Custom Events in Braze, just like events tracked via API. Now that your data is in Braze, you can use it just like any other event. So you can set it as a trigger or action step within a canvas. You can use it to filter segments based on event frequency or recency. And you can use event properties to dynamically personalize your messages. It's a simple yet powerful way to make sure external data, even from offline systems, drives engagement within Braze. So let's recap. CSV imports for custom events let you upload event level data and properties from any source, trigger campaigns or canvas steps based on those actions, and personalize messaging without relying on a full integration. Comment down below and tell us what types of offline events you'd want to bring into Braze. And don't forget to subscribe for more walkthroughs like this.